Ready? Come over here with it, Nick. Keep recording. I'm going to show him the rust I was talking about the bucket's had. You can see right here and right here. Pretty good little place right here, but looks like you actually put a piece of metal right in that square. It's like a little square that's going out of it. Then around here, it's got a little bit more right here. Right there. Besides that, the bucket's pretty tough. And over here, you've got one hydraulic cylinder. This right here is the worst one. And the reason it's a little slow is because it's cold and it's also low on fluid. I didn't have much hydraulic fluid to put in it. But it's leaking right here. All the jacks are good, just the seals are leaking. Then if you'll look right down there on that side of the bucket, it's got a hole. Come over to this side. Then, see that cylinder there is leaking. And this one over on this side is leaking. This one right here. And all it is the seal right there. You can see it. Then one of these jacks has got nothing. Right over here. Right over here, Nick. Right here, this little seal right here is leaking in it also. And I did notice some of the other seals has already been replaced. And that's it as far as starting up and operating. It operates good and got pretty decent tires on it too. You can go ahead and